You're more relatable. I'm just cooler.
We have Allie A with us.
Yeah, Allie A's here with us. On the boat with us.
Allie A.
FBI, if you're watching, he's not serious. He's not actually got murdered anyway. We are in Gulfport, Mississippi at Jones Park, about to take a ferry to Ship Island. You ready to go to the boat, bud? The boat we're on right now?
I can get him.
Basically, you have to identify them. You can't do
that. You know who else wants boat shoes?
Yeah.
There's like a lady feeding the bird.
Don't want it to accidentally
Jeez, Fred. This looks like the back rooms.
Kind of, yeah. This is Fort Massachusetts. Military records, so that's what the Confederacy decided to call it.
The fort on Ship Island.
And then
This is cool.
Confederacy, this was pretty quickly due to the occupation. France.
Fire?
Yeah, I think it might just be an oven of some sort.
Spooky. These literally just look like back rooms. There's an old man there now. Wait. Ew, I have a bunch of stuff in my shoes now.
A little bit. So this was named Ship Island by the French.
What's the distance on this game?
3 miles.
Wow. Last night and the night before, I saw 3 women walking down that way. And I said, hey, you women, why are you walking down the road that way? There's nothing down there. And then they flew off. I said, oh, that was some birds.
Like, hey, St. Paul is like really, really hot, unfortunately. And like, St. You want to get from me?